Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be doing my review and live demo of the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys. I'm going to swatch the entire palette, and I also want to show you how I created this look on my eyes using the palette. So if you're interested to see my review of the JSC Blood Sugar palette, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. This palette retails for $52 and it comes with 18 shades. It has a mix of metallics, mattes, and foils. His products are always vegan and cruelty-free, so all of the eyeshadows in this palette are that. On the back of the palette, it does have the lifespan. It is good for 12 months, and here's a little cruelty-free sign on the back of the palette. It just has a bunch of his socials, his YouTube page, his Instagram, and things like that. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It has all 18 shades and a huge, nice mirror. I would like to go through and swatch all of these shades for you guys so you can see how they look on my arm. And then I'm going to go in and do a demo and show you how I created this look. The first shade I'm gonna swatch for you guys is called Glucose. Second shade is called Sugarcane. Third shade is called Cake Mix. And the fourth shade, I'm just gonna put it up here, is Ouch. Next is the shade Donor. This is Intravenous. You guys can see how beautifully the mattes swatch, which is really good. They feel powdery, but they almost have like a silky finish to them as well when you put them on your fingers. So this one is Candy Floss. Tongue Pop, Sweetener. My personal favorite shade, this one is called Cavity. So here are a few of the swatches. I'm gonna wipe this off and add the rest. I definitely want to mention that I've been using this a lot. This came in our BoxyCharm in October, the Green Clean Makeup Melt White Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy Beauty. I really enjoy this, and it takes the makeup off so nice and leaves your skin feeling very smooth. So I just wanted to mention that. The next shade that I'm gonna swatch for you is called O Positive. Then we have Root Canal. This one's called Prick. This is this amazing like orangey red. It's so amazing. This one's called Cherry Soda. Next is called Fresh Meat. Look at these mattes, you guys, honestly. And the next is the title of the palette. This is called Blood Sugar. It's this beautiful metallic red. Then we have the shade Extraction. And last but not least, we have the shade Coma. I kind of mixed those together a little bit, but sorry about that. So here is the rest of the palette. Needless to say, you guys, I really like this. And don't let these bright shades scare you, because these shades here can be placed in the outer corner of your eye, and you can use those to just deepen up. And these over here can all be used, in my opinion, for daytime looks. So far, I've had the chance to play with this a little bit, and I already can tell that I love this formula. These shades really are so pigmented, just like Jeffree said. And this is actually the first eyeshadow palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics that I've purchased. I'm definitely a huge fan, and his Alien palette comes out next Friday, so I'm definitely thinking about picking that up. But if I had to recommend, if you were thinking about purchasing this and you haven't yet, I would. Honestly, like the quality of this palette is definitely worth it. And I just love the way it looks too with the faux leather and the clasps. It's different from any other eyeshadow palette that I own. Also, before I get started on the eye look, I do want to mention the lashes that I'm wearing. If you watched my Beautylish haul, I will leave that linked up above. I did mention that I bought these lashes from the brand called Velour Lashes. These are in the style Wisp It Real Good. They are mink lashes, and they are so amazing. If I had to compare them to another luxury lash brand like Lily Lashes, I would say that the band is thick, and it's thick just like the Lily Lashes, but these do not feel heavy at all. Like, they are beautiful, voluminous lashes. They don't feel heavy on my eyes. They're very easy to apply. I'm interested to see how they wear throughout the day, if they stay on, if they bother my eyes, but so far so good. I really, really like them. I'm glad that I got them. All right, let's get into the look. First, I'm going in with the shade called Sugarcane. I am using a large shader brush and I'm laying that down right in my crease. Going to use that as the transition shade. Next, I'll be going in with the shade Cake Mix just to deepen up my crease ever so slightly, going back and forth using windshield wiper motions. Going in next with my favorite shade from the palette called Cavity. It is this beautiful neon pink color. I'm using a small shader brush and I'm going back and forth using clockwise and counterclockwise motions. Over top of that shade, I next went in with the color called Fresh Meat. This is a gorgeous dark red, almost like a burgundy type color. And I used a packer brush to just pack that into my crease to really add even more dimension. Next, I went in with the shade called Extraction. I added that to my crease using the windshield wiper motions. Honestly, I didn't realize until the very end how many shades I actually used, but that's one of the great things about this palette is you can really take your time and build up and layer these colors to achieve your desired look. Then I went in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I used a packing brush to cut my crease. And I don't know about you guys, but this is probably my favorite part of an eyeshadow look. I absolutely love the way the concealer looks when it dries down over top of the shadow. Even before you pack whatever color shadow you want on top of the concealer, I just think it looks so cool. Over top of the concealer, I am placing the shade Glucose right onto my lid. This shade is so saturated and pigmented, it truly is stunning. Then I'm going in with the shade called Coma, packing that onto the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye using a small packing brush and blending that into the shade Glucose. I went in with the shade Root Canal on my lower lash line, and now I'm going over top of that using the shade Tongue Pop to blend it out and give it a more smoky effect. Finishing off the look using my NYX eyeliner in the shade White, and then I'm going to go in and apply these false lashes from Velour Lashes. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I went in with the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint in the shade Demure, and then I layered over top of that the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Nude. I also want to mention I did use the Jante Blue Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Spice, and I also went around the corners of my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Liner in the shade Posy K. I hope that you guys enjoyed my review. I really love this Blood Sugar palette, so I wanted to give it some extra attention and let you guys know more detailed thoughts on how I feel about it, especially after using it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!